Fortunate questions.
Incoming.
Oh.
All right.
I'll just put it here instead. Let's see what we have today.
I really appreciate that you've been trained well to not spill it all on the floor. So that's good
That's
stuff.
great. All right. This is from Kevin.
Kevin.
Hi, Kevin. From Grand Rapids.
Kevin doesn't have a last name.
It doesn't. Just
Kevin.
Kevin, Grand Rapids. But he does, his address is in here, so that will be helpful. So it said, are third-party lenses just as good?
Just as good as what?
I guess just as good.
They're good. I guess. I mean, it's kind of a wide range, right? I mean, you can have a really crummy third-party lens. You can have a great third-party lens.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you this, that there are some lens companies now that I think are as good, and I can say this with
Two come to mind right away.
as good or better than the OEM lenses.
Yeah.
And one of those brands I would have to say would be Tamron. We use a lot of Tamron here. In fact, if you go back a few of our fortunate questions, we had talked about, someone was asking about lenses.
Best all-around lens. We think
You know,
that Tamron.
The Tamron stuff, I've got the 24-70. You just picked up the 24-70 from Tamron. It is good stuff, and way cheaper than the original.
And I'm a believer those Sigma Art lenses are sharper than a hot knife through butter.
Or a sushi knife through a nice raw tuna.
Ooh, yes.
Which reminds me of what we need to do later. But anyways, going back, Kevin, yeah, third-party lenses, read the reviews. I mean, it's good stuff.
What if he's talking about, like, I borrow a lens from a friend and then I let you use it?
Oh, that's
so
a
you're
third-party?
using
No,
a
that's
third-party
a
lens.
bad
lens.
lens.
If that's what you're talking about, Kevin, that's a bad idea because I don't want to be on the hook for when he breaks it and then I got to go to the third party and tell him.
So getting back to reality, Kevin, I think that if you want to save your money and be able to buy two lenses for the price of one, look for Tamron or Sigma. I mean, you could literally get the 70 to 200 and the 24-70 for the price of the 24-70
in Nikon or Canon or Sony. You probably buy a third lens for what you're paying. What you're going to pay for Sony these days.
Hey, just save your money, get great glass. You will not be able to see the difference.
Yeah.
Even if you're pixel peeping.
Just so everybody's aware, we're not saying don't buy OEM glass.
No.
Like, oh my goodness, that's
Great stuff. It is great.
That's the benchmark. But when you're talking about are these others as good?
When you're talking about the average photographer, I'm not talking about Joe McNally's of the world, but the you and me's of the world, I can't afford to go buy $15,000 worth of lenses, right?
Yeah.
If I buy a $1,200 lens, I can usually get that one by where the wife doesn't go crazy. Buy a $3,000 lens, that one shows up, and guess what? The wife starts questioning.
Yeah.
So I got to just make sure that fiscally responsible. So Kevin, great question. Great question. You know what Kevin's getting today?
Yes, I do.
What does he get?
Kevin, you are going to get the coveted Chopstick Guy kit. Well, inside this kit, what are you going to get, Kevin? You're going to get 2 beautifully wrapped fortune cookies with inspirational photography sayings.
All from Mr. Wong's fortune cookies.
2 sets of the beautiful custom bamboo chopsticks, the wasabi bowls, and the
Kevin.
beautiful rest for your chopsticks so they don't touch the table.
Because every chopstick needs a nap. That's why we give you
That's when
a
you need the
chopstick rest.
Hey, Kevin, thanks for the question. And most importantly, don't forget, say sushi.